If you have ever taken a selfie on your iPhone and noticed that the final photo looks flipped compared to what you saw on the screen, you are not alone. And it can be really frustrating. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to fix the iPhone selfie camera flipping problem so your photos look the same as the preview. Now what you'll need to do is launch your camera app, take few photos. If it is flipped, what you need to do is you'll need to customize the setting. So launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option camera. Now scrolling down, you're going to find this option of mirror front camera. You'll need to toggle on for this option. Now your front camera behaves like a mirror and saves photos exactly the way you want to see them on the screen. Now when you go back to camera app and take a selfie, you'll notice that the photo is no longer flipped and it matches the preview perfectly. That's all it takes to solve this issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.